how to make delicious sausage pepperoni pizza using bread. This is easy steps. So you're going to boil the sausages and cut them into pieces like this. So here you can use any bread that you like, and I'm going to be cutting the crust off like this. Then you're going to use some tomato puree to smooth it out. Here you're going to add some cheese, grated cheese. Then you're going to add sausages. Make sure you cut them in pieces like this. Once that's done, I'm going to put it in the air fryer, or you can use the oven, and I'm going to make sure it cooks. And here are the final results, and it tastes so good. It tastes like pizza. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.